keep getting the frustrating "your device isn't compatible with this version" error when installing apps from the Google Play Store, in this video, we'll explain why this happens and show you simple ways to fix it, so you can download almost any app you want. Let's jump right in. Before starting, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps, and try to restart your phone. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store. Corrupted data within the Play Store can cause it to misinterpret compatibility. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Find and tap the Google Play Store, then go to the Storage option. Now clear cache. Then tap Clear Data and confirm. Solution 2. Reset network settings. This will reset all network configurations to their default settings. You'll need to reconnect your Wi-Fi networks afterward. Reset network settings on Xiaomi. Open the Settings app, tap More Connectivity Options, scroll down, tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Now simply tap Wi-Fi or mobile data. It will reset your network. If any of these fixes worked for you, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might have the same problem. Thanks for tuning in.